Okay, so warm up number 3. The cost to fill up Bryce's motorcycle is based in the gallons of gas purchased shown on the graph. So here on the bottom, you can see gallons. Here on the side, you see cost. So if I were still thinking about my Y and my X, then I would know that it is dollars per gallon. Okay. Um, and so when I start to look, I start to think still about those right triangles that we saw in the last warm up, where you have to look for those exact points and make your triangles, your right triangles here. And then you have to think about the change of y over the change of x. And so when you think about that, that goes the y direction that the triangles go in, go up 1, 2, 3. And then in the x direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see it again. From here to here is 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 3 over 4. Um, and so it's $3 for 4 gallons of gas. So it would be 3 over 4. That is also equal to about 0.75 dollars. You would make your dollars that way in the line per gallon. So, because this division line is really, when we read math problems, we read it as per. So, when we start to now look at number 2, a bus driving campers to Camp Walden is driving at a speed of 56 miles per hour. This information, so whenever I look at this information, 56 miles per hour, that's in 1 hour, 56 miles. Use this information to fill in the table and then write an equation to represent the relationship between x, the hours driven, and y, the distance traveled. So we know in 0 hours they've they haven't gone anywhere, so it's 0 miles. And we know that in 1 hour it's 56 miles. So half an hour would probably be half of 56. So you can do 56 divided by 2, right? Because if you cut 56 in half, then it's 56 divided by 2, which is equal to 23. So there's 23. And then I know that in 2 hours, I'm going 56 twice. So then that's 2 times 56. And 2 times 56 is equal to 112. But now you're going 56 miles for 1.5 times. And so I would think about the 56 as 1 and 23 is half. So 56 and 23, that is going to be 79 miles. So write an equation that represents this relationship. Um, well, actually, the 56 is the slope. And so if I have to write an equation where it's y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept, so that was here, where x is 0, that's your y-intercept. So this would be y equals, the slope is 56, x, and you don't have to write plus 0 even though it's not wrong. You can just simply write y equals 56x.